I've been working on the railroad by Nadine, Westcott. I've been working on the railroad. All the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad. Just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morn. Don't you hear the captain shouting, "Dinah, blow your horn." Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn, your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah, strumming on the old banjo. And they're singing fee, fi, fiddly-I-O. Fee, fi, fiddly-I-O, oh, oh. Fee, fi, fiddly-I-O. Strumming on that old banjo. I've been working on the railroad are uncertain. However, it is thought that to be modified from a levee-tune song by black railroad workers in the late 19th century. Little is known about its oral tradition, although it may have been based on older songs about riverboating days. The earliest known date for the song's publication is 1894 in the 8th edition of the Carmina Princetonia, a college songbook. The song's omission from the previous edition supports the idea that it was not widely popular prior to the early 1890s. The song grew in popularity in the 20th century, especially among barbershop quartets in the early 1900s, until by mid-century it was a facet of camp life for American children in all 50 states, and it remains so today.
Barbershop quartet singing, barbershop, also called barbershop, typically was all male or all female, which is a popular choral form characterized by a cappella singing with three voices harmonizing to the melody of the fourth voice. The emphasis is on close, carefully arranged harmony, synchronization of word sounds, and the use of such devices as variation of tempo, volume level, diction, color, and phrasing. Many phrases were often repeated for effect, and musical arrangements usually employ syncopated ragtime and other nostalgic song styles. In all male groups, the voice parts are tenor, lead, baritone, and bass, with the lead normally singing the melody and the tenor harmonizing above. In all female groups, the voice parts are called by the same names, with the tenor being roughly equivalent to a lyric soprano, lead being the soprano, the baritone alto, and the bass contralto. In the late 20th century, mixed groups of men and women were also formed. Now we're going to take a look at a short clip of a barbershop quartet. This is an all-male quartet.
Half, quarter and eight, whole, half, quarter and eight, whole, half, quarter and eight, whole, half, quarter and eight. Go faster!
A quartet is a group of four. A quartet is a group of four. If you think about a dollar, and you break it into 4 equal parts, there are 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters. The quartet singing group is consisted of 4 members. There are 1, 2, 3, and 4 members.
With me, sing along with me as we begin singing the first verse of I've Been Working on the Railroad. I've been working on the railroad